Happy Friday, everybody. Hope everybody had a good day trading yesterday. I know I sure did. Market was, it came down about 0.5% yesterday, but the breakouts were really running. We're seeing a lot of 10% moves, a lot of 8, a lot of 4. So there were a lot of breakouts that were really following through. Yesterday was just a good day for the breakouts. They were breaking out and they were setting up and they were breaking out again intraday. So hopefully y'all got a piece of that. If not, I'm sure there'll be more around the corner. Looks like the market's trying to gap down this morning, 0.5% down on the SPY due to a miss in the GDP numbers. Still, we're looking at the same support levels of the 1297 and the 20-day moving average. Any pullback here will just be a buying opportunity for the bulls, in my opinion. So definitely watch those levels if we get there. Up on the list is CIGX for a red to green move. Look for some morning weakness to buy over the 296, buy it at 297. Can look for a pop to the 200-day moving average. CSIQ, looking for a range breakout of this one. Strong volume coming out of oversold territory. I like the way this one's setting up, so definitely keep that on watch. RGS, another red to green move. This one finished pretty strong at the close of the day, pretty much at the highs, so watch it, see if we can get some morning weakness in before we can take out those highs. HSOL. Looking for a range break here. I actually like this one on an intraday chart. If we can look here, we see the 188 as being strong support. It was consolidating pretty much all day. So let's see if we could take out that. Maybe we can at least run back to the highs. It's good for 10 cents or so. Mine, nice little flag is putting in here. Let's see if we can get some steam coming up here and break that as highs for you. JKS came down and looked like it was trying to bounce. Bounced a little bit. I mean, it was up 4%, but finished pretty much flat for the day. Look for it to take out 623, 625 level and see if we can get some bounce out of this thing, maybe push it back into the 770s. MIPS range break here. It's got a strong resistance at the 566 level. We could see a run to the 200-day moving average. Strong volume on this bounce off the 20-day, so definitely see if we can get pushed there. We're getting a bit extended over intraday, so make sure we get some, maybe like some fill and backfill up in here before we really take out those highs. Bond, nice little flag put in here. It's a small flag, but it's still a powerful one. The stock seems to be very popular here on Twitter and in the news here lately, so definitely keep this one on watch just for some Momo runs. Royale, I like this one. It's basing here on the 50-day moving average. It's got a nice little consolidation at the 453, 450 area. It's got the 20-day moving average right above it, but I'm not too worried about that one. I'll probably try to get it beforehand if I can get some volume coming in the 450s. See if we could just push right through that 20-day moving average. KVA, we got a nice flag forming here. Definitely look for a takeout of these highs. This is a tricky one to play. It's a thin pharmaceutical company, so be careful. It's got a lot of shorts in it, though. So maybe this thing can run if it does break those levels. NBIX, nice run it had here in the market. Starting to flag. Look for a takeout of this flag level, and we could see another push high, or actually I believe we can get a little bit higher than that. ANW, nice little range break here at the 523 level. SYSW on board for a dollar roll. It's got a lot of resistance at that dollar mark here, so definitely look for it to be able to take out those levels. VISN starting to flag here. Look for a break of the 160 level. Jazz, still working on this flag. It's starting to set up a little bit better. It looks like it's getting real close. Look for it to take out the 47. We're seeing a lot of good buy volume coming in, so definitely look for it to take out that 47 level. KERX, messy flag here, but still looks strong. And you can tell that it has dealt with messy flags before and it broke out, so just keep that one on watch. AH, weird action yesterday. Started high, dropped down, and then pretty much finished at the highs. So watch that 2701 level. It's really starting to push it now. I would like to see it start flat in the morning and then take this out before just jumping up above. LNKD still on watch for that range break. RAM on watch for a bounce here. It didn't bounce yesterday, but it didn't really hurt that support line, so definitely continue to watch it. That's what I got for you today, everyone. Hopefully you have a good Friday. I'll definitely catch up with you on the weekend. Enjoy it. See you Monday.